In this video, we'll install the fuel line on a naturally aspirated Goblin. This video only applies to 2.2 and 2.4 liter donors. Start by disconnecting the EVAP line from the port on the intake. Pull the locking tab sideways to release the connector, then place a 5/16 vacuum cap on the port. Remove the other end of the EVAP line from the purge solenoid and discard the line. Cut the zip tie holding the harness and disconnect the solenoid connector. Use a 13mm socket to remove the solenoid and its bracket. You'll reuse the bolt in a couple of steps, so keep it nearby. Disconnect the front camshaft position sensor. Pull back on the gray lock, then squeeze the connector to release it. Route the fuel lines between the harness and the engine. Attach the fuel filter to the cylinder head using the donor fuel filter clamp and the bolt you removed earlier. Tighten the bolt with a 13mm socket. Don't forget to reconnect the position sensor. Push the steel line from the K12A baggie into the fuel filter. Then connect the fuel line from the previous video between the steel line and the fuel rail.